welcome to another cooking episode with Hanging with Hane. Today we're gonna cook a simple recipe, chili recipe, and the ingredients we need are 1 pound of ground beef. I prefer like 90% lean, and 2 pouches of chili hot seasoning. Uh, 4 celery stalks that I cut into chunks like this, and we have the white kidney beans, 15.5 ounces, red kidney beans, 15.5 ounces, and black beans, 15.5 ounces, and I like a lot of pinto beans, and a can of the tomato, and chicken bouillon, just about a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, about a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and let's go cook this chili up. Turn on the stove burner to high, and heat up the pan, so you don't need to put any oil in. Now just put the ground beef in the pan and kind of breaking it up. And kind of brown the ground beef. Okay, you see the fat coming out now. All the fat, we're not going to keep that. Alright, it's about cooked now. Take a container, just pour out the fat. We don't need this fat. Just pour as much fat as possible. Try to be healthy, take all the fat out. Okay, that's good. Now put in this chili hot seasoning. Pour all in there. You can buy this from Aldi. That's what we got the ingredient from. Okay. Now just stir it together. Let the season mix with the ground beef. It should only take about maybe a minute or so. Just let the... Okay. Okay, now put in the chop up celery. Stir it together. Okay, it's going good. Alright. Put in the canned tomato. The white bean, just pour in all the water in there. No need to take the water out from the can. White kidney beans, red kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans. Stir it. Put in a teaspoon of chicken bouillon for taste. Teaspoon of salt, not too much salt, maybe put a little bit later on. Just for taste. Alright, bring it to a boil and stir a little bit so it won't stick to the bottom of the pans here. Put on the lid and just turn it to medium heat and let it sit there for maybe 40 minutes or so, and it should be done. Okay, after about 40 minutes of cooking, but remember you have to open the lid and stir constantly because it might stick to the bottom. Just give a stir like this. So after 40 minutes of cooking, it looks like this. Now it's on low heat. Just keep on low heat. Don't. And to add a little kick into the chili, I chop up one jalapeno. Chop it up, kind of dice it up. Okay, mix it in. And cilantro. Okay, stir it in. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes or so. It should be done. Put the lid on. Alright, the chili is done, and then we plate it up. I chop up some red onions. Just sprinkle some red onion on top. And some cheese. Put some cheese. We have Gouda cheese. Oh, you can use any kind of cheese. That's it. That's the final product. It's a simple recipe for chili. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, and please help support this channel by subscribing. Please hit the like button, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.